Okay, today we're going to draw, again, endangered species, and we're going to draw a snake. I like snakes, and mainly because they have these most gorgeous patterns. Now, in this particular drawing, I'm going to give you a special research task. I'm going to teach you the line work, but I want you to research snake skin for the pattern and colour that you put onto the drawing. Okay, so you need to be a little Sherlock Holmes and investigate that. Right, so a snake has a head, so I'm just going to put a head in here. Oops, wrong pencil. Just going to put the head in here, and I'm just doing that as a very simple shape. I'll come back to this later on. Now from here, I've got the snake coming round here, and it's going to form a curve here. That curve there is going to go this way and form a curve that's bigger. Okay, then it's going to go down this way, forming another curve, coming back in and then coming out. So I'm getting some nice curves going on. Yeah, look at those lovely curves. A big blob there, big blob there. We could do that in another way. We could draw circles like this, put them together, so we're going around those like a racing track. That gives us basic layout we can use. So now I'm going to come from that neck and follow that line round here, and do that on the other side. Follow that line round here. Now as I get here, I'm going to make it slightly wider because it gets more muscly here, so increasing the size so it's slightly bigger. And then I'm going to come round to here, and as I come round to here, I'm going to make it even bigger still. Like so. So I've got a much bigger section here. As I come into here, I'm going to start making it smaller again. So small, bigger, big, small, but not too small. Okay, so I'm going to go around here. And then with this one, start decreasing that size. And then at the end here we come to a nice little end. It's not pointed, it's slightly rounded off. And then we can fix those curves. Because this is how the snakes move, they contract, move along. Very cool. Right, so let's go back to this head and sort this out as a snake's head. Now a good way of doing that is I'm going to put in some curves at the back, and then I'm going to triangulate this a bit. So I'm making it much more triangular in shape. Just give a classic snake's head shape, and then I can come round like so. Now the snake has eyes, so put those eyes in about here. And just to make it a bit more snaky, we'll give it a nice tongue. Now, what I'm going to do now, because you're going to colour this in through your research and find the pattern, I'm just going to put lines slightly more defined so. Now, with the pattern, okay, I'm just going to put some rough marks to get you started. Normally it's camouflage, so it's striped or diamond or angled. So you'd start off by putting in a disruptive element as we go around the body. Okay, so we can start bringing in, if I make this one stripy. But if you do good research, you'll find better patterns than this, with more colour, which will be cool. Anyway, get the idea how it starts to flow through. Have a go. And remember, research the snake skin.